Hello everyone and welcome to Time Team. It's great to talk to you at what is a very exciting time for the project. The support you've been giving us has been amazing, and it means we're on our way to planning those first 2 shoots. We're also hopefully going to be doing some special scans on a couple of secret sites that we'll be telling you about next week. We had the aim of getting 5,000 patrons by the end of March. So if you're a fan out there or you know a fan, tell them to get behind us on Patreon. We've been doing lots of talks this week with producers and various other people on the site and asking them what sort of sites would they like, what sort of things would they like to see in the program. And it's fantastic how much the technology has moved on. And some of you will be seeing, hopefully, the new geophysics that we're doing, combining GPR, ground penetrating radar, LiDAR, and all sorts of data. And this makes sites look absolutely fantastic, and you'll be able to see some of that later in the week. So thank you very much again for your support. It's getting really exciting. The Time Team assembles. That's what we're doing at the moment. We're beginning to bring in people. We've already got 25 people, many of whom you will know. And it's like getting a group of old friends back together. And I hope you get some sense of the atmosphere of happiness, excitement, a little bit too much excitement at times, but it's just great to get everybody together. And we couldn't do it without you. So once again, thanks very much for backing us on Patreon. Stay well. And I look forward to talking to you about next week a couple of secret sites that we've got some amazing scans on. So please keep in touch and we'll talk soon.
It used to be exciting when we did the old Time Teams. That it was done in 3 days, and that created that real sense of excitement and compressed time. The exciting thing about the new version of Time Team is that we've time to explore ideas more, we've time to do things, spend more time looking at sites and exploring them in different ways. It creates a new type of excitement, which I'm really looking forward to. So it does go against the grain of a Yorkshireman to encourage people to spend money, I suppose, but if you want to continue to subscribe or subscribe for the first time to Time Team, then please do so.
I'm really excited by the fact that it's sort of starting up again, and it feels, as someone who was involved right at the beginning, it feels like those very first few weeks of Time Team, quarter of a century ago, when it was building up from small roots. And so it's really exciting to see how Time Team might grow from this, and really exciting to see, how much we're going to be able to do, which is going to be entirely dependent on how much funding we get. So it's going to be exciting to see how it builds up depending on how many people subscribe.
To have an opportunity to see us as we've grown old. I mean, I can remember the first Time Teams when Geophys guy had a really long, straggly beard and perhaps long hair. What viewers will be able to see is that none of us have changed at all. None of us have aged. And we're really looking forward to it. I mean, if I could be serious just for a moment, I mean, the beauty is we're all coming together, be it on site or through the wonders of technology. And that is the exciting thing, working with colleagues, working with specialists, and looking at archaeological problems, which is what we tend to do on our own. We don't tend to talk to people. We just send in reports. The beauty of Time Team, we all got together, and this will be us getting together again.
This does represent a new phase for Time Team, in that we can look at a larger area in more detail and with more time to think. And hopefully this one will be the best we've ever done, because we've got so much more scope to look at the science and to look at the landscape and to look at things in a more considered way. And of course, we can only do it if we've got a little bit of funding there behind us. A lot of us are giving our time free. Other people are giving their money, which is brilliant. And the more we have, the more we can do and the more we can find out. So new subscribers are always very, very welcome to join the Time Team family.
We can't do any of this work without you, so please subscribe, back us on Patreon, and make sure that Time Team comes back again.